Okay, in this demo I would just want to take a look at the drum synthesizer engine and specifically the pattern sequencer. So from the tape screen you can hit the drum synthesizer engine key, and from here if you want to select a different drum synthesizer patch, you can do so over here with any of these buttons to select the different drum kit. And essentially the drum kit is one long sample of all the drums with different points dropped into there for the specific sounds within the one file. If you look at the file for the drums from the computer that's housed here in the OP-1, you'll see that it's just one file for every drum kit, and they just map the particular hits here on the unit. I have yet to figure that out, but I've only had it for a couple days and I'll get to it. Okay, so let's get started. We'll go to the drum sounds, and this kit is MXD, and you can see here drum sounds mapped to all of the different keys. And a side note here, with the drum sounds, there's two different type of samplers inside this, and somebody posted this question to one of my earlier videos. And the synthesizer sampler takes one sample and spreads it chromatically across the whole keyboard. The drum sampler allows you to take different samples and spread them per key. So if you were to want to take an old disco track and disassemble it, you could sample into different pieces and put them on individual keys for a remix purpose. If you were to want to sample a human voice, like I did, I sampled myself singing one note. I'll turn the effects off. There's my original pitch. Just one voice. So anyways, my one voice is spread all the way across the whole keys. The drum sampler is different. You can assign, like I said, samples to different keys, which I'm going to learn to do, and I'll try to post a video of that as well. So anyways, the purpose of this video, we're already 2 minutes in. I haven't even got to the original purpose, which is to show the pattern sequencer with the drum kit. So I will go to sequencer mode over here, and you can see on the screen that I've already got a bunch of different notes in with, I believe it's kit number 6. Let's see. Yep. So when you turn the sequencer mode on, you'll see that you can play the different sounds. If I turn sequencer off and it's still selected the drum engine, it will play the pattern that I've programmed into here. So here's a little sample of the pattern. Excuse me, it should be on drum. There we go. So I've got a little bit of swing time there. I think it's 58% swing time. And now that it's playing a sequence by hitting the one key, you can change the pitch of all of the drums in the whole pattern at once by changing to a different key. Right? So you get how that goes. So let's go to over to tape, because I have some stuff recorded on tape. And let's see, we got track 1. This is probably very hard to hear it on the iPhone recorder here, but this is my voice transformed through the punch effect, which is essentially kind of a low-pass filter overdrive device from what I can tell. And my voice was able to be pitched down and turned into a pretty decent bass line. So also have those keys are my voice, as well as everything else you'll hear here. So the whole patch, the whole sequence of playing, is my voice as the bass line, my voice as the chords, my voice as the two lead sounds, And then that's all 4 tracks. Something is on all 4 tracks here. So you can go to the sequencer over the top. Try and get a good timing here. Go back to the mixer. Tape. Solo the bass line. And you have just the bass line and the beats going. And that little bell sound, which was accidentally added. Back to sequencer. Turn off the beats. Turn them back on. That's another one of the videos. Check out more upcoming videos of the Teenage Engineering OP-1.